Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
10 to 12 minutes. Don't leave the meat unattended. It should thaw in 10 to 12 minutes. That's quicker than leaving it in your fridge, and it also doesn't allow enough time for harmful bacteria to start to grow. 24 January 2019.
Take our lead.
For example, if it's ground meat, put it in a Ziploc bag. Get as much of the air out as possible, then lay it on a counter and flatten it. You can also run your meat under cold water to help speed up the defrosting process. But food.gov warns that you should not do this unless it's in a sealed container. 30 April 2018.
Take our lead.
Foods should never be thawed or even stored on the counter, or defrosted in hot water. Food left above 40 degrees Fahrenheit, unrefrigerated, is not at a safe temperature. There are 3 safe ways to defrost food: in the refrigerator, in cold water, and in the microwave.
Let's help you make your mark.
While some burgers are prepared from raw ground beef, others are cooked from frozen patties. Before you place frozen mouth-watering patties on the grill to sizzle, take the time to properly defrost the meat. Once thawed, the beef patties will cook more evenly, resulting in juicier, better-tasting burgers.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.